Alright, so this thing is recording. I'm actually underneath my car, as you guys can see. I am trying to figure out a way to actually, well, not trying to figure out a way. I will upload a video that will get you guys caught up to what's been going on. Of course, California's on the quarantine, so is New York. Nobody's going to work. In my city, some people are going to work. Some people are out and about, just enjoying life. We've reached a spike on the COVID-19 virus. It's been actually spiking up here in Simi, but yeah, no, we're all good. So today's video is actually gonna be about doing some work on the front suspension. As you can see, my whole underneath the car is fully caked up, full of oil. I mean, I don't know why, probably from like the past, and nobody wanted to even like take care of this issue, like, you know, uncake it. I have a huge ass dent in my oil pan right there, you can already tell. Other than that, oh, and another issue right here, you can see the fact that this front, where the radiator support is at, this guy is fucked. As you can see, it's all bent inward. And I have this guy right here, just the bushing is all worn. As you can tell, it's completely worn and bent as well, so that's not a good sign. Today I'm gonna replace that with this guy right here. It's used, but it's worth it. And this other guy from the second 240 that I bought. Yeah, like I said, I'll upload a video after this one gets uploaded, and you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to keep watching. It's actually pretty hard for me to like work and upload videos, so bear with me. I have difficulty, you know, trying to like upload every other week or every week videos. I haven't uploaded for like at least 3-4 months already. That's because I've been trying to get caught up on work and save money. Long story short, I live on my own. I rent my own room. I don't live with parents, so the huge difference. You can see these bags right here that I have right underneath my eye. Yeah, that's from not sleeping and yeah, working. Hey. So I'm gonna start by taking this one out, especially. So there's 2 bolts right here. If you want to replace, I don't know the exact name for this guy. I would say like, I don't think it. No, sway bar link is right here. Sway bar link is right here. I don't know the exact name for this guy. I know this is part of the radiator support. So there's 2 14mm bolts right here, and then there's a 17 bolt on this one in order to take this one, and 2 17s over here. I don't know if you guys can see that far. 2 17 bolts right over here. So we started taking off this guy, then these 2 guys, and then those 2. And then we also, in order to take this bad boy right here, we need to take off 1 both bolts. Look at that, I'm missing a bolt right there on my sway bar link. Look at that. Look at that. If you guys can see that, I'm missing a bolt right there. Never noticed that. Now I know what the whole clunking noise is about. Check this side as well. I got both bolts on there for sure. No bolts missing over here, anything. Oh, this guy's fucked. You guys can see that? You guys can see how torn up this guy is? Fucking torn. And then this guy's fucking shit. Look at that, torn to shit. So it's a good thing that I'm doing this, because I'm saving my ass. Oh, my neighbor came home. My neighbor's here. See, I rent with random people. Not random people, like, I just live in a house they own and I rent. And it is kind of hard for me to, like, you know, have this mechanic life. ¿Qué ole? ¿Ahí le da? Yes. This is my life right here. Yeah. I can't even hold my phone. Alright, so I'm gonna start taking off bolts off. Let's see if you guys can see. Look at you guys like that. I'm gonna take off these 2 bolts right here. Oh, that guy's loose. So that's loose. Loose enough to come off. So much fucking muck coming off this thing, I swear. And I gotta get a hammer. Yeah. Well, not a hammer, but whew. A long boy. It's a long boy. Look at that. Schlong boy. Oh my god, this is gonna be a long fucking video. I'm sorry, guys. I don't have my camera. I can't pause it and continue recording, and plus I kind of had to stop using my computer slow as fuck. You know, I'm trying to do this for you guys. So I got this bad boy loose. That guy's not gonna come out. So on to this guy over here. Which is 2 bolts that are holding it in place. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ah, covering the camera. No. This is some terrible footage for you guys. I'm so sorry. I really can't. Alright. I'll take these 2 guys out. Oh, okay, you guys can see that shit. Okay. These 2 guys. And I'm going to use a 14 millimeter. You guys do need to have your car lifted for this. I already lifted it. I was debating whether on recording the video or not for you guys. Man, I wish this iPhone had pause on it. It's one out. put that with the long boy. Hopefully this video isn't that long. It's already fucking 10 minutes. Wow, it's so sad. Let's see what else. That guy's gonna come out. What size is that? This guy's probably a 14 as well. Excuse me. Allergies. And no, it's not COVID-19. If you guys don't know, I have an Instagram and a Facebook page where you guys can follow me and see what I like how I'm just ignoring this guy right here. I really don't want to deal with that right now. Okay, we got this bad boy loose, guys. I think we have to get both of them loose. That is annoying and frustrating. And this is the reality of mechanics when you don't have a shop and shit and you do things at home. This is the reality of it. You guys actually have to do shit on the ground, laying down, and it's usually a pain in the ass to do so. I mean, hopefully you guys don't get bored of this. I mean, this is fun for me to do, but having you guys watch it, I mean, isn't so fun. I think it's not fun. I don't know. I like watching other people work on their cars, but I hate when they do. I got something in my eye. I'm sorry. I hate when they do how do you call it, YouTube magic or whatever. I hate that. You don't learn anything. It's just like, oh look, he did it. He installed it. So now I actually have to take off the other side in order for this guy to come out. In order for this guy to come out right here, I actually need to do the other side, which is over here. This one actually has 2 bolts I showed you earlier. I'm going to go ahead and put the cam on this side. Hey, look at that. And again, they're both 14 mil, so you can use the same fucking socket or ratchet or whatever wrench you're using. Fuck. Well, I'm gonna need an extension. I'll be right back. Fuck. Oh, they're fucking up my shoes already. God damn. I just got them not too long ago. See, this is why nothing lasts for me. Alright, we got that one. Damn, these both were fucking loose. Holy shit, that is so unsafe. And you know I've been dailying this around for like a good fucking like... Yeah, I'm about to have a year with it. I think I already have a year. No, I'm about to have a year with it, yeah. No, it's already been a year. I think this month or next month completes a year of owning it. That is so sketch, dude. Number 1 tip, always fully inspect the car. Fully inspect it. Even if you have to wait until the next day, because you do not want to get it when it's nighttime like I did with this car. But hey, I already knew what I was getting myself into. You know, I already knew what issues this car had. So, it's all good. Okay, so that's coming down real quick, real fast. Okay. Oh, that fell. So sway bar link is loose, as you can tell already. This guy's gonna be no issue coming out. I'm replacing both of these guys, so this guy should come out right now. I'm forgetting something, bud. God damn it. so. Unfortunately, there's two other bolts that have like I think it's the high pressure line of the power steering in place right here. So you want to bolt these two bolts. That way you can actually take this bad boy off. Gonna be a 10 mil. Just giving you a heads up. I don't know if you guys have to do this on your car. I mean, I'm just making a random video of me working on my car. Hey, you know, I mean, it's fun watching other people work on their car. Not gonna lie, I actually enjoy it when I'm on YouTube. You know, like there's a random person, like they figured out an issue, or like they give you a fun fact. Something went in my fucking eye. How long is this video? 17 minutes. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna end the video here. I'll upload it. I'll upload it right now. I'll upload another video after this, letting you guys know that I completely finished this. But you guys know the deal. I'm just gonna replace this guy and this guy, just so I have stiffer front end suspension. Later down the road, I will be replacing the lower control arm, which is this guy right here. And again, you will have to take these bolts right here, this one right here, and that one right there, in order to take off the control arm off. But that's going to be in another video sometime soon. But I will upload a video after this one, letting you guys know that I completed it, and possibly just post it on my Instagram. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't want this video to be too long. It's already 18 minutes long, so peace.